Hi there, Frank George here. Today I'm going to show you this great Saker Mini electric chainsaw. It's absolutely great for trimming, pruning branches, tree limbs of all kinds. It even cuts limbs over 4 inches or 10 centimeters in diameter. Yet it's small, but really powerful and only weighs 1 kilogram or 2.2 pounds. You'll absolutely love it for all your outdoor trimming, around the house, the apartment, or the garden. It's such a time saver and super easy to use. Not too big at all, not bulky like your typical chainsaws. Here's what you get in the toolbox. You get the chainsaw with the built-in powerful motor and 4-inch blade with a safety guide or protective baffle. You can also move it later to clean the blade. A safety button that has to be depressed to operate the mini chainsaw, like this. And the trigger to start the saw. And the handle is very ergonomic. It's comfortable to use and hold. You get 2 battery packs that snap in and out like this. Oh, and the charger, of course. I like to charge both batteries before I begin a project, because if there's a lot of trimming involved and you deplete one battery, you just snap in the spare, and then charge them both at the end. You also get a wrench for when you need to replace the blades, and a screwdriver for the tension adjustment. And of course, an instruction manual. And all of it can be stored in this great carrying toolbox. It's a strong toolbox. So let's go see it in use. I use safety glasses and gloves before a project, and I also oil the blade. They suggest it in the user manual. So there you have it. So powerful, yet small and lightweight. No big and dangerous chainsaws needed like in the past. All battery operated. Not a lot of noise either, so it won't disturb your neighbors at all. And no gas needed, of course. And you won't have to rent any tools from a local hardware store. You'll absolutely love the endless uses for this Saker Mini chainsaw. This is the model AK1 804D, and you can get yours today on the website.